It's 102 degrees outside, and we're at Busch Gardens.
What are we thinking? Is it spicy?
Woo! We just made it in Busch Gardens, and look, right at the get-go, they tell you how to cool off. Chill out in our air-conditioned theaters.
Hey everyone, Wes and Melissa here. Welcome to the channel if it's your first time, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back.
We're here for Busch Gardens Summer Nights, and they have all kinds of new stuff, like the Bierfest Brews and BBQ.
And I'm hungry, so that's good.
Then they have the Moto Motion show, which is supposed to be a motorcycle like stunt show.
Yeah, that'll be cool. That's over, I think, in the Stanleyville Theater. Then they have Wild Oasis too, which just opened not long ago.
But they're supposed to have capybaras there. I'm so excited.
Capybaras, those are those little furry, like, soft things, right?
They look like giant hamsters.
And then at the park closing, we've got the Wild Skies Drone and Fireworks Spectacular. Weather permitting, we're hoping that the weather holds up. We came through some nasty rain on the way up here, but fingers crossed that we'll get to see the drone show tonight.
Food.
She goes, she gets squirreled. As soon as she sees food, she's gone. We've taken shelter in the Springs tap room just to get away from the heat and get our game plan together. So we're gonna find some food, we're gonna bring it back in here, and we're gonna tell you what we think.
There he is.
Oh my God. I am melting out there.
Wes just got here with our food, and it looks pretty good. I'm excited.
So this is the brisket mac and cheese waffle cone. It's got a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. So I'm gonna start with this one because I can't exactly like set it down. So I gotta keep holding on to it. So I better start eating. Uh-oh. You guys can't see, but I'm making a mess. All right.
It smells good.
It's good. It's got good flavor. The mac and cheese is good. The barbecue sauce is like a sweet, smoky barbecue. It's got a little bit of zing to it also. Actually, It does have a little zing. The brisket is actually pretty good. I was kind of worried about that because brisket can get dried out really quick. But this is actually good.
If you've been watching our videos before, you know that Wes loves mac and cheese. So of course, when we saw that there was a brisket mac and cheese waffle cone here, I knew right away that that was gonna happen.
If it's mac and cheese, it's for me.
The second item is the grilled avocado. Basically, this is a grilled avocado with brisket, roasted corn, and cilantro cream.
Now, one thing I'll tell you, when I was up there, they did pull that out of the refrigerator, so don't expect it to be warm.
Really?
It's a grilled stuffed avocado that's been chilled.
Okay, we'll try it out. I would have expected that to be warm, so that's a little surprising. It's actually good. The flavor's there. The brisket is a little dry, probably because it's been like in the refrigerator. The avocado, the corn, that crema, and I think it's like little cilantro or greens. I mean, it's really good. It's not spicy. It's just really flavorful. It's kind of hard to eat holding a mic.
You want me to hold the mic for you?
Yes, please.
Get some ASMR on you chewing.
Do we get napkins?
No.
They had a lot of really good dessert options here, so it was really hard to pick one, but this one actually goes along with one of our other videos at Haywood Smokehouse, where we love a good bourbon chocolate pecan pie. Now this doesn't have the bourbon to it, but when I saw chocolate pecan pie, I had to try it. It smells good.
Let me smell it real quick.
It's sweet. You can smell the sweet and the, yeah, I think I need a knife. You know what? We're just going for it.
Bite it, bite it.
Oh yeah.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I would like to try.
It is so good. It's nice and warm. And you know what? I have to say, like, no matter what, Busch Gardens always does their sweet treats right.
That was mine. That was pretty good.
That's yummy right there.
The flavor is definitely there. It's warm. I did see them take it out of a warmer as opposed to the refrigerator on this one.
I wish I had a to-go thing to bring this home with us.
If you eat it all, it technically will be to go. You just carry it home in your stomach.
We had a couple of bites here at the Bierfest Brews and BBQ, and now we're going to head over to Moto Motion, which is over at the Stanleyville Theater area.
Then I think we're going to go to the new Wild Oasis and check that area out, and then come back over here and get some more food later.
A little bit of information about the Bierfest Brews and BBQ Festival. It goes until Labor Day, so it's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then plus Labor Day Monday.
We actually tried to come to the opening night of the Bierfest Brews and BBQ event, but it was raining. The skies just opened up upon us. It is coming down. So we're back here a couple days later.
That was a really cool show. It was very different from anything that we've seen at a theme park with the motorcyclists. And they had the aerialists and the dancers in there, but like the colors and the stunts, it was really cool.
It was a fun show. I really liked the dirt bikes. They looked really fast, and for such a small stage, they were able to do some pretty cool tricks.
Busch Gardens does a really good job of bringing these shows here. They usually have one for like Halloween, for Christmas, and they're always a lot of fun to watch. So if you're at Busch Gardens and you come to one of these events and they have a show here at Stanleyville Theater, definitely go check it out because they're fun. And plus, you get away from the heat a little bit.
That's a great part. You get the air conditioning. But like Melissa said, if you come here during Howl-O-Scream, they usually have a really cool show here too. So make sure you check that out too.
The Stanley Falls Flume, guaranteed to cool you down on a hot summer day.
That drop, when you're an adult, it doesn't look like anything, but when you're a kid, that thing is huge.
Yeah, now it's nothing to you to go jump on Falcon's Fury.
I love Falcon's Fury.
Falcon's Fury was a one and done for me.
I don't know if they know that about you yet.
No, you don't think so?
I don't think so. I don't think we've featured that in a video yet, but I usually have to go on that by myself.
You know, I rode Falcon's Fury a while back. It was actually during Howl-O-Scream. We were here with two of our friends, and they all coaxed me to go on it. I usually ride any roller coaster out there, but like we were going up the lift on Falcon's Fury, and the higher we got, I was like, oh man, this, like, it's not worth the wear and tear on my heart, honestly.
All right, we made it to the Wild Oasis. This area is actually made up of 5 different areas: the canopy climb, the treetop drop, the rainforest quest, the enchanted falls, and the habitat hideaway. Now the area that I'm most excited about is the habitat hideaway because there's supposed to be capybaras there. I'm so excited to see capybaras. Wow, this area is really cool looking. Check it out. Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
Yeah, and I'm doing this with no hands.
No, it's not a good idea to try and do that with a camera, a cell phone, and holding her like purse too. That was tricky, especially when you get out to the middle of it.
Wild Oasis isn't just for kids, it's for big kids too.
Keep going up.
This is a workout, you guys. Seriously, like, ow, watch your head. Make sure you eat your Wheaties before you come here. It goes up and down we go. Wow, little did this big kid know that would be such a workout. I think I need a drink now. It doesn't look like the treetop drop is working right now, but this is it. It's basically a mini version of Falcon's Fury.
A really, really mini version.
Capybaras!
Where are they? Oh, I think they're over here, little, yeah, down this way. Yep, there you go. Are they in there? Do you see them?
No.
Oh, there's one there, but he's on TV.
They probably took him in already. Hi, Toucan Sam.
Got him up there. He's up there chilling. You probably worked up a big appetite after crawling through that long tube. Do you want to go get some more food?
I would love some food, and I would also love a brew.
I like the way you think. I found a capybara. It's
You
right here.
did?
Yeah, it's right here. Right there. Right there.
Capybara!
And an anteater. Oh, look at that. We're coming through Busch Gardens, and we're in golden hour. You can see tigress.
Oh, wow.
Didn't you used to come and hang out here when you were in college?
I did. I used to love just hanging out and chilling with the orangutans. It was kind of a newer area when I was in college, so I would go like in the AC area if it was like super warm, but if they were out here like swinging on the ropes, I'd go do that too. Or I wouldn't actually go swing on the ropes with the orangutans.
I
would
was
watch
going to say,
them.
you know, after seeing you on Wild Oasis, I don't know if swinging on ropes is a good idea. How many of you guys have ridden Sheikah that are watching this? Comment below. Let us know which roller coaster here at Busch Gardens is your favorite.
Throughout Busch Gardens, they have all these little dance party sections for summer nights. At night, when the sun goes down, this is where the party is, right here. You'll see some DJs and dancing. We're making our way back to the Bierfest Brews and BBQ section. to eat some more food. What are you looking forward to eating next?
I think I want that Jamaican like barbecue skewer thing.
Oh yeah, with I think it's like coconut rice and beans.
Coconut rice and beans, yes.
Oh,
So
that sounded really good.
that I think is what I'm looking for, and also the peanut butter float beer.
And I'm looking forward to that smoked turkey that had that blackberry sauce, I believe.
Blackberry sauce.
A little bit of information about the Bierfest Brews and Barbecue. They have the cabins like the one right here behind me, but they have 10 of them, which are right over here. So they're all kind of in that Springs tap room area. Here's a map. You can take a little screenshot, memorize your map here. Make sure you always check out the sampler lanyards at Busch Gardens, because this is a way to save. Instead of paying for your food individually, you save by either getting a 5, 8, or 10 sample lanyard. Here's a quick snapshot of the lanyard. So 5 punches is $40, 8 punches is $65, and 10 punches is $65. So really your best bet is if you're a pass member for $65, you get 10 punches on your lanyard, but you can see that one dish can cost you $13. So 10 dishes at $13, that's $130. That is half the price right there. What has Wes got over here?
Pineapple upside down, Jamaican surf and turf. Let's eat. Oh, you got your turkey sandwich.
This right here is a smoked turkey with a blackberry chipotle jam. Now, this right here is like a summer Thanksgiving dinner because it's barbecued and it's got blackberry in it, and you got your Texas toast. So I love my turkey meals. I can't wait to try this. This actually looks really good. Ooh.
How's that?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Is it spicy?
Woo.
Oh no.
Woo. Oh.
Oh no.
Whew.
Pickles. Pickles will kill the spice.
All right, listen up. The turkey is really good. It's tender. It's like falling apart, but that blackberry jam, and it has a kick. If you like Chipotle, if you like spice, you probably will love that blackberry jam. It's so fresh. You have like the seeds, like you bite into the seeds, but it is way too spicy for this girl right here.
This is the Jamaican surf and turf. It's got garlic lime marinated shrimp, and it's also got seasoned beef on top of coconut rice. Now it is Jamaican, so it makes me worry a little bit because of the jerk seasoning, and they're not afraid to spice things here. That was actually a piece of beef. It does have a little bit of heat to it, but I would say the flavor outweighs the heat, but it was good. Now I'm gonna go for a shrimp. This is the garlic lime marinated shrimp. The shrimp are actually seasoned very well. They do have a little bit more heat than I feel like than the beef did. They're actually really good. On the heat scale out of 1 to 10, I'd probably say maybe a 4 or 5. Let's try the coconut rice. You know, overall, I'm pretty impressed with this meal. The coconut rice is actually pretty well. So I would say, yeah, if you're here, get it. Get the Jamaican surf and turf. It's pretty good. What is that?
This is it's called the Space Dust.
Space Dust.
Space Dust is an IPA, but it's really, really good. It's like ice cold, and it is really, really sealing the deal to like recover my throat from that Chipotle.
That's good.
This is kind of Wes's pick, but this is a pineapple upside down cake. Nice presentation there with a full pineapple ring. Ooh, it's nice. It's nice and moist. You can see. I know a lot of people don't like that word.
I don't like that word.
But it is.
Yeah, it's good.
It's not overly sweet.
Okay.
So if you're looking for a dessert that's not like overly sweet, but yet really, really good, this is it right here. You can taste the pineapple in it. The cake is like perfect for it. Oh my gosh, hey!
Zooter Loopers, Mr. King to Ka.
Yeah. I just came back from doing that.
Awesome.
I'm a little tired, but it's so much fun.
Oh, looks so cool.
If you haven't tried the pretzels with beer cheese, those are so much.
They're on our cheat sheet.
Oh,
They're on our
there
list.
you go.
We'll see if we can get to it. I really wanted to get the peanut butter float beer, but I got over there, the windows were rolled down. I went around to the side door and I said, hey, is there any way I could get one? And they're like, no, I'm sorry, we're closed. So if you guys come here, make sure you get your beer early. Bummer.
All right, there is another one that you wanted though. Oh, there's a pretzels that Brian told us about.
That's true.
Helga's Beer Garden.
Beer, cheese, and pretzel nuggies.
Woo!
Look at that. Ladies first.
Ooh, the cheese is really good.
Not bad.
The pretzels are a little chewy.
A little bit. They give you a ton of cheese. You'll have cheese left over.
So you get the pretzels and beer cheese, and then you get the brisket mac and cheese, and you pour that on your brisket mac and cheese.
Pro tip. Oh my gosh, we are hot mess expresses here. Hot and swampy. We're trying to make our way over to the best viewing angle for the drone show. I was given a little bit of information from an employee. The beer closes 30 minutes before the park closes, so just keep that in mind if you want to get a beer. Oh, this looks cool in here. So normally this is where they have their cabins for like the holiday time and other food festivals back in here.
Gardens will be illuminated with hundreds of drones transforming the night sky.
Nice.
This field is used for like concerts and all kinds of like nighttime events. So like 4th of July, they'll do the fireworks here, but this is where they are hosting the Wild Skies Drone and Fireworks Spectacular. What a view over here, but I just have to take a moment to show you guys what's coming soon. One of our favorite events here at Busch Gardens, Howl-O-Scream. Take a moment, you can scan that QR code. So it's gonna be select nights from September 5th through November 2nd. Are you excited for Howl-O-Scream?
I am. Howl-O-Scream is usually pretty good, so I am excited for Howl-O-Scream. The drones are taking off. There they go.
So this was my first ever drone show, and I'm so glad that it was, because Busch Gardens, you've been my home theme park forever, so it was really an honor to see the drone show here. I love wildlife, I love animals, I love coming to this park, I love the roller coasters. You put that all in the drone show to end it with that logo, like just all the feels. And then the fireworks after that, I mean, that was just a great show.
Very, very cool technology. I'm glad Busch Gardens was able to do it tonight. So the food was good tonight. The Wild Oasis was neat, and the show we saw was great. But the highlight for me is going to be that finale, that drone show.
Right there, I agree. And Wild Oasis, I mean, that surprised me though. Like, I went in those like canopies. That was a lot of fun.
You're in there like a spider monkey.
Don't forget, you still have a couple of weeks to come here and enjoy summer nights at Busch Gardens. It ends on August 10th.
Thank you for hanging out with us. We hope you've enjoyed the video. But before we leave, remember, every meal is a memory.
And every trip is a story. I'm pretty excited for that. They have started doing drone...
But now we're gonna head over to the...
We had a few bites. All right. We had a few bites. Okay, a little bit of information.
Do you think they'd let me go fly one of the drones?